Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the human environment interactions with the tropical and the subtropical regions. So let's start with the chapter, but before starting our chapter, there is some introduction part that different regions of the world have a different climate conditions, but people staying in different areas adapt themselves to their environment. For example, people living in areas which get snowfall construct their houses with the slanting roofs so that the snow does not collect on the roofs. Similarly, people having a mountainous regions are used to walking long distances as they have a little access to good roads and the transport facilities. So they have to rely on crops and the vegetables they grow themselves. So in every location is having a different area, weather, etc. So adaptation is very required for the human being. So let's study some areas with the different type of diverse conditions. So our next one is the life in the Amazon basin. Basically, tropical region lies very close to the equator between 10N and 10S. It is very interesting to know that the Amazon River and its tributaries have the largest volume of water of any river in the world. In fact, they drain more waters into the ocean than the world's next 9 largest river combined. So tropical region lies very closely equator between 10N and 10S. The Amazon River basin drains portion of Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia and the small parts of the Venezuela. This picture shows that waterfall in the northern Amazon basin. This is a picture of an Amazon river, that how it flows. This map shows that the Amazon river and its tributaries. It can include various countries like Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, Argentina, etc. Next one is the climate. Hot and wet climate throughout the year. Both day and nights are almost equally hot and humid. It rains almost every day. The day temperature are very high and the night temperature goes down. So the Amazon basin is located along the equator. Hence it has a hot and a wet climate throughout the year. And there is a rainfall almost every year. The day temperature reaches up to 30 to 35 degrees C, while in the night temperature reaches between 15 to up to 25 degrees C. This is the Amazon rainforest. As we have read earlier that most of the Amazon basin of the South America is covered with the huge Amazon rainforest. So this forest covers an area of like 82 lakhs 35,430 square kilometers. So this is the world's largest area which covers the rainforest. So our next one is the flora of the rainforest. Here basically the term flora means to plant life. There is a dense plant growth owing to a heavy rainfall. These forests are so thick that the dense roof created by leaves and branches doesn't allow the sun to reach the ground. So this is the reason that why the forest floor remains dark and damp. So hence only shade trees and a vegetation grows on the forest floors. So basically the Amazon rainforest consists of the 4 layers. These are the names of the 4 layers. Our first layer is the emergent layer. Second one is the canopy. Third one is the shrub. And fourth one is the forest. Now, next one is the fauna of the rainforest. Basically, the term fauna refers to the animal life. It is estimated that Amazon rainforest is a home of about 500 mammals, 175 lizards, and 30 other reptile species. So one of the major characteristics of Amazon forest is that it is the special species of monkeys that is found here. So these are the various types of mammals which was found in the fauna of the rainforest. Now our next one is the people of the rainforest. Here people have settled near the banks of Amazon as well as the other rivers. The houses are made up of woods as it is present in a abundance. So they have a steep slanting roof so that rainwater does not collect, and these houses are also called malakos. So these are the peoples in the Amazon. So while men hunt and fish along the rivers and women take care of the crops, so they mainly grow tapioca, pineapple, sweet potatoes, and they eat queen ants. People grow food themselves. For this purpose, they clear a part of the forest by cutting it down and burning it. So these includes various types of agriculture crops like cash crops, coffee, maize, cocoa powder, etc. So, for the purpose of agriculture, they clear a part of the forest by cutting it down and burning it. So, burning of trees release the nutrients and which make the soil very nutritive. So, this type of farming in which the farmers slash and cut down the trees are also called a slash and burn agriculture. So, this is the picture of a slash and a burn agriculture. So, in short, people of the rainforest includes men are busy in hunting and fish along the rivers, and women can take care of these crops. They mainly grow tapioca, pineapple, sweet potatoes, etc. So, these are the basic points which included in our chapter.